Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at some batteries. I did order online for my GoPro. It needed some new batteries. It kind of died out. And so I went online and I was just trying to figure out different options for batteries. Here are the old ones here. They kind of swollen up. They swell up a little bit from just, use and discharging and recharging them. And they just don't hold the charge anymore. So these are the original batteries and they kind of crapped out. So I needed to get some new batteries. I have a GoPro Hero 8 and I looked online. And this had some decent reviews. It had about 100 reviews, so that's pretty decent. The instructions that you do have when you first put them in, you do have to get the verification with GoPro. They get the license, I guess, what it says here. And when you first put them in, and it did do that. So to activate the battery, that's what I had to do, which it seemed to work no problem. So what this is, I got the 2-pack, and you can get these a 2-pack or a 3-pack depending on what you're looking for. This is a little portable charger. I like this. It's a 3-bank charger. It does come with a USB-A port that you can plug in. Okay, it is a small port. It's kind of short, but that's okay. If you're either on the road, plug it into your laptop, plug it into a battery bank, whatever you have, you can actually use this to plug in anywhere. But that's not the only way to use it as well. There are other ways to use it. There are also USB-C port right here, and it looks like a micro USB here. Charge your batteries. I like that small, compact. 5 volts, 2 amps, that's what the input is, and the output is 4.4 volts, 650 milliamp times 3. So each one of those banks will do that voltage out, which is pretty good. So 1220 milliamps, 4.7. So these are 1220, these are 1800. So you should get about 20% more power, roughly, out of it, which is not much anyway. In general, as you know, GoPro eats through batteries like water, as we all know. So this is what they are. They do fit. They work nicely. They work on the charge. You just pop them right in here, just like that there. And then I have a USB-C right here. I can plug it in, a USB-C, and I can charge it just like that. And you can see it, quick update. I was just about to do the test and do the timer and put the battery in the GoPro, and one of these came DOA, so dead on arrival. Even though it said it was charging, I went to put it back in the charger, and this one says it's charging, but I went to put the second one in to double check everything, and it's dead. DOA. So this battery is dead. It came like that, dead. So I'm going to say this is probably a fail. I am not going to recommend this because of that. This should not come dead. I mean, that's a problem. I'm going to put a return in. I'm going to pick up a different model and try a different version. This did not meet my expectation. It should not come in like that dead. Unfortunately, that's what I have for you. So this is it. Sometimes you have good, sometimes you have bad, and this one is not that good. So that's my review on this one. Appreciate it as always. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Definitely don't recommend this because, when you want some decent quality batteries, maybe you just have to pay a little bit more. Maybe that's the lesson for this one. All right, guys. Appreciate it as always. See you at the next review.